Hey everybody, what is up? My name is Eric McGrew with Eric's Tree Service in Montrose, Colorado, also with Elevated Office, and of course with Weaver Arborist and with Gap Arborist Supply. Now, today the products I'm going to be talking about real quick are not at all offered through any of my sponsors that I know of. If they are, I will let you know. But one thing that I want to bring out to you guys is that one of the aspects of Elevated Office that you'll hear about on the podcast, which if you haven't listened to, go check out Elevated Office podcast. You can do it on any search for podcast. I talk about efficiencies and how to save money for your company, right? One of the biggest ways to save money for your company is making sure that you keep up on maintenance. One of the biggest ways to save money on maintenance is avoid having to make maintenance without it being within the scheduled time frame. So why do I have these products behind me if we're talking about maintenance? Well, it's because a big part of maintenance in the kind of work that we do is keeping our products clean. If you keep your products clean and your equipment clean, a lot of times you will find that you don't need to do as frequent maintenance on them. So very briefly, and I'll go over this in some other episodes here in the future, but one of the big things about equipment is seals, chains, hydraulic hoses, fittings, all that kind of stuff. If they stay dirty for a very long time, then they tend to deteriorate much faster. Gaskets, grommets, boots, anything like that. And most of the equipment that we have has one or more of those aspects to it. So behind me, these products are actually dirt bike and motorcycle products as a general rule, Muc-Off, and also Slick Products. Now, Slick Products has expanded their market and has been trying to get the off-road community a bit more and things like that. But these products actually work really well on equipment. I have used the Muc-Off already a number of times on my stump grinder as well as on my chipper. And this week and tomorrow, in fact, I'm going to do a live recording of washing my truck, which has sat for some time. And as you can see, has a bunch of what I consider to be some of the hardest grime to get off. So this isn't like a caked up muddy truck, but this has that road film on it, that stuff that comes off the asphalt and that comes off of dusty roads, and it's sat under the chipper overspray, so it's got pine pitch on the windshield. It's got all this junk going on this truck right here. And tomorrow I'm going to wash one half of the truck with Slick product and one half of the truck with Muc-Off, the way that they suggest that we do it. And I'm going to let you guys see how this stuff works. Now, once again, I have used the Muc-Off before, and I've been pretty satisfied with how the Muc-Off works. These kits aren't exactly the same kind of comparison. I bought this Slick Products kit online from slickproducts.com, and there is a chamois that comes with it. They give you a pack of stickers, some thank you cards, and then you have a concentrate. So this gets diluted and makes more than what you have there. And then you have a shine material there that's actually like a slicker to keep dirt and mud and stuff from sticking to your truck. And then they also sell the degreaser with it, which is the orange one there. Now you can buy various kits from Muc-Off as well. None of them are quite the exact same that the Slick product is, but they're very similar, and you guys can look at that as well. So tomorrow afternoon, we're going to go over and wash the truck with both of these products, one side for half, one side for the other, and we will see which one works out. Now, I can tell you from experience, the Muc-Off has already worked really well on chippers and on stump grinders. It really, without even having to scrub, that's the whole point of these, right? The whole point of these products is that you spray them on, you let them soak in, and then you wash them off. And then they do most of the work. Now, do they do it all? No. Any product that says it does it all for you is a bit of a liar. But I was really surprised with the Muc-Off on how little work you had to do to get the dirt and grime off. So if you want to know fast, efficient ways to clean your equipment without you having to spend hours doing it, look at these two products tomorrow, see what you think, and hopefully you'll find a product that can actually be a time saver. Now, they're not the cheapest products on the market, but the speed of them makes them very efficient in my opinion. And we're going to see which of the two just happens to do better tomorrow. So check back in, and I hope to see you guys there. I'll talk to you later.